I'm standing here alone and trying, after leaving me and cheating. Yeah, gathering my strength, keep moving, walking in the streets of crying. I'm starting here alone and smiling, just breaking these rules and hiding, gathering my strength and never looking back, 'cause some feel so haunting. I think I won't play the game even it twice. I'm quiet and still fine. I can handle that myself. You never can stop me, and now you never get me. Fine. For me it's easy to say goodbye. You never can touch me, and now you never kiss me. Yeah. Oh.
Baby listen, you know sometimes I try to make it easy. For you I never make it, at the last you never do it. All the things for the kids and for the memories, I can feel that what you feel, and I can feel that what you feel. It's that we'll day by day pass away. Remember what you say, that you will gonna be stay, but you make the same mistake, and you treat me like a trip. Don't you know that anyone can come for me and make me woman, give me hope to set me free? I sympathize, you have pretty face to cheating me, play and play back at me and pretend that you were sorry. I realize you have a pretty lies to hurting, to makes me down, to feel the emptiness, have nothing. I know you know so long that it's not like a simple story. Don't you know you never get me, never touch me, never kiss me. For all about this love, for all about this pain, this is me, I'm quiet and stop.